So this is Havasupai. Wait a second, this isn't Havasupai. Let's get there right now. Now this is Havasu Falls. Wait, hold up. This isn't where I was just a few hours ago. So let's rewind and I'll catch you up to speed. We hopped on a plane in Boise at 4 a.m. and flew to Las Vegas. Then we got a minivan and stopped to get breakfast burritos. We drove about 2 hours south and east to check in, and then we started the 10-mile hike to the campground. So we're a mile in. Heidi was like, yo, Zach, you don't have anything covering your ears. So we're taking a quick little break to put on sunscreen because safety first. So we are at 4.5 miles, which means we're almost to the campsite, which means we need to figure out 3 things that we're gonna do over the next 2 days. So I'm thinking the first objective is we need to find an awesome campground. Objective number 2 is to find all these super awesome waterfalls near the Havasupai Campground. Objective number 3, try some amazing, what is it? We need to try some freaking awesome fry bread. Fry bread? That sounds weird. We need to try some freaking awesome fry bread tacos. Boom. So we're a mile outside of camp and we're already seeing tons of waterfalls. We just saw the first one, which I believe is 50-foot falls. Could be 100% wrong. That's a chance I'm willing to take right now, but it looks amazing. Final descent down into the campground and we see Havasu Falls immediately to our right. I haven't seen it yet. You've seen it before me. Holy moly guacamole. Just saw Havasu Falls and let me tell you, it was freaking amazing. The sun is going down, so we gotta find a place to camp real quick, and then we'll go from there. There she blows. Home sweet home. Objective number 1 originally was to find a really cool camping site. We walked into camp last night and the sun was starting to go down and it was just like campsite after campsite after campsite was just full of tents. So we walked probably a mile in, maybe a little bit more, and we finally found this really cool spot. It's right along the river that you can see here. I want to show off our cool campsite real quick. Right here, you can see that's mine and Heidi's tent. And then Heidi's moving a log over here so we can sit on it, but we've got a picnic bench, this cool tree that has most of our gear on it, and then Jared and Erica have their tent right there. And then right behind us is just this little stream. Yeah, this is our camp. So objective number 1, complete. We're about to go hike to several different falls. Pretty excited. Saw Havasu Falls last night and that was phenomenal. So I'm excited to go back there later tonight and check it out. Here at Mooney Falls, the top of it. I don't know if you can see it real well right now. I am scared of heights. I'm not going too close to the edge. I kind of did, and I started getting vertigo. It was crazy. Gonna climb down the ladders and get a great view of the falls from down below. Here's Mooney Falls again, a little bit better of view. I'll scoot even a little bit closer. This is Mooney Falls. Still working on getting down to get that great shot from the bottom. This gets really narrow. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna throw up. Freaking Jared, you're down already? Let's go, baby! Let's go! Made it down to Mooney Falls. I don't even know how I survived. Check out this death trap of a climb. Mooney Falls though, amazing. So pumped right now, on cloud 9. Look at this waterfall, right? It is amazing. Can't believe I'm here. This is awesome. The great thing about Havasupai is everywhere you look, there's another set of waterfalls, whether it's a big one or a small one. It's just so scenic and there's so many waterfalls. If there's one thing I don't like, it's all of these ladders, because like I said earlier, I'm not a big fan of height. So let's go check this out together. This place right here is actually pretty cool. You just have all of these huge cliffs and then it opens up into like this lush green area and the water's just like this majestic blue. It's a really cool area.
It's a tough hike, but it's worth it.
So you two guys, this is the first honest one that you'll watch.
About to get into Beaver Falls. 3, 2, 1. So how was it? Oh my goodness, I almost fell in.
So cold.
We're currently in the middle of Beaver Falls. You can see right down here that there's a few more layers. And then right over here, there's the actual falls with another shelf or two. The water is absolutely freezing right now. I might jump in still because it is kind of hot sitting here. How was it? Refreshing actually, I kind of liked it. We're like right up on the waterfall now of the smaller shelf and it's actually quite a bit warmer, which is surprising, but it's awesome. There. New secret objective. I just got tasked with saying howdy to the next 10 people I come across. I see people ahead now. Howdy, howdy, howdy. I just got 3 howdies. Just got tasked with a new secret objective. Jared just said he'd buy me a roll of sushi in Vegas if I said have a potato day. Have a potato day to someone who passes by. Dude, what's up, man? Saw you yesterday. Have a potato day. Secret objective done. Jared owes me some sushi. Howdy. I've officially said howdy to 4 people. I've got 6 more howdies to go. Howdy. 5 howdies. We have approximately...
Yeah, you're welcome.
Howdy, y'all.
You will?
So I said howdy, y'all. Does that count as 1 even though there were multiple people, or 1 for each? We'll say 1. So that gives me 6 howdies. We made it to a river crossing. It's hot, so I decided to cool off. I'm just gonna sit and chill for a minute. This feels really good. Holy moly. Howdy.
Howdy.
Texas.
Yes, sir.
For work.
Austin. So Ryan Trahan, if you ever see this video, which chances are you never will, I owe that last howdy to you. I said howdy to this guy. He said, you from Texas? I said, yes, sir. He said, where from? I said, Austin. Yeah, just got my 7th howdy. 3 more to go. A good news, bad news situation. Good news is Mooney Falls is right there. Bad news is we lost the trail. We lost it. So we don't know how to get 100 yards that way. Things could get interesting. Okay, the bad news went from bad to worse. Remember how I said we got lost? Well, it's starting to get dark out and we're still lost. But joke's on you, I found the way. And it's not even nighttime yet, it's only noon. It's just shady. What you gonna do? Hi, governor. You go up that ladder, and then there's a bunch of chains, and you just keep climbing, At the very top, there's a little cave. You guys coming down? Thanks, man. Thank you. Sorry about the wet gloves. 2 more behind me. You just freaking took off, and I was like, WTF? Yeah. If you see this video, look for these gloves right here. They're Kinko 1791. If you find them and end up using them, leave a comment down below and let me know that was you, and I'll say hi. I'm gonna leave them right here on this rock. Howdy. Howdy number 8. Howdy. Just got number 9. Here comes my final howdy.
Oh. Thank you.
Howdy. Mission complete. Got my 10 howdies in. Heidi, did you believe in me?
I totally believed in you.
I knew I could do it all along. Okay, so we just got back from looking at all of the different waterfalls. It's been an awesome day. The waterfalls were super cool. Objective number 2 is complete. Erica's feeling. Just went to the little fry bread taco stand and I got two. I got a Nutella banana and then a cinnamon one and a Coke and Dr. Pepper. One of our objectives was to get a fry bread taco, and this is not only a fry bread taco, it's a fry bread dessert. And I put bananas and Nutella on it, and let's try it out real quick. That's well worth the wait. Object fry bread, complete.
So I took cinnamon sugar one on top of the Nutella banana one. Made it like a sandwich. Now I'm gonna eat it. So good.
So we are, let's see, 4 miles outside of our camp spot, which means we have a roughly 5 miles until we hit the switchbacks.
Yeah, Zach's got friends in
Oasis. Gonna slip on down to the oasis. It's the final countdown.
Almost to the top. Just got back up the hilltop. We have 10 feet to go. We found Jared and Erica, so we left again. Feeling good.
It really was only 10 miles from the campground.
Yeah, well, that's my Team Sprinter van right there. Oh, please be cold. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
That's good.
Did all of our bags arrive okay?
They're in the van.
Now that's my kind of massage.